Okay, I should have done this before I started, but anyway, good afternoon. Today we got a fan that does not want to work. The lights work, but no fan. I'm thinking we got a bad switch. They said I replaced this last year, I know, about 18 months ago. I don't remember. I did a lot of other stuff here, so it doesn't surprise me. So anyway, we got a new switch, and let me get it, and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll start tearing into this. Okay, this is our replacement switch. 3-speed fan switch. And your fan switch is usually the one on the side. And you can see it right there. Now, sorry I don't have my tripod with me today. Let me see how much I can do with one hand, and I may have to. So first off, you're going to turn the power breaker off out of that switch. Never rely on the wall switch. Second, okay, we got it off breaker, but for some silly, crazy thing, we always want to check with voltage sniffer. Okay. Then we're going to come here, take this nut off right here. Okay, and then we're going to push. Grab it out of there, if you can see that. Okay, I'm going to require 2 hands. So anyway, you see me get it, yep, that's a switch. It's all jacked up. So anyway, I'm going to take my little Klein cutters, get those wires off. Yeah, that thing was gone. Okay, get in there. See those wires right there? We're gonna get those out, and then you're gonna pay attention. Just don't cut them, because there's certain wires go certain places. So let me get off here, get this one out, and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, before I start this, now this is the new switch. If you'll look at the back, you'll see, I'm trying to get you there, an L, a 1, a 2, and a 3. Now when you pull the old switch out, like I said, don't start cutting wires, because you want to replace those wires in that switch, going in that switch, in the same position they are this one. So I brought you in here to the kitchen where there's light. I'm fixing to go back in there and pull the old switch out, paying special attention how it's wired, and I'll get right back with you. Okay, I want y'all to take a look at this. This brand new switch we just got from Lowe's, right out of the package. See that? It's a wire already in there. See that? Little red wire right there? That wire's already in there. That wire's okay. Oh, there's another wire in there. This switch has already been put in to a ceiling fan, and some for reason did not work, and they removed this and put it back in the package, took it back to Lowe's, and Lowe's, without looking at it, would put it back on the shelf. Now, this is a rental. I'm doing about half a dozen jobs today. Light fixture, ceiling fan, this, and so far about half the stuff we've got from Lowe's has been opened before and put back in a package. Ridiculous, Lowe's. There's no excuse for this. You people can open them packages when they return them. And this is the same customer that I think I told you last year in his personal house had me replace the toilets, and he bought them at Lowe's, and they were elongated, and somebody had bought them, took the elongated ones out, used those, put round ones back in. And then so when he returned them, he made the manager go back with him. They opened another one, same thing. It's supposed to be elongated, it'd been opened, replaced with a round toilet. Finally, after, I can't remember if he said the next one was like that or not, but anyway, they had opened either 1 or 2 more to get one that was actually elongated that hadn't been replaced. Crap like this just ticks me off. And Lowe's, you should know better. This is why you're in the position that you're in financially as a company. Crap like this. Okay, I followed directions, got these wires in the same spot as the old one. You'll probably see another video where this switch came from Lowe's. Somebody had already used it or tried it, cut the wires off, put it back in package, and Lowe's threw it back up on the shelf. Luckily it worked for me. This is like the second or third thing on this job we found that had been opened at Lowe's, either part missing or didn't work or damaged. Globes were broken, and somebody just taped the little bag back up with all the glass pieces in it. It's crazy. It's crazy. So anyway, got this in. Now I'm going to go. I had another one in my electrical box. I want to show you something. Let me come in here where we got light. And this is because these wires, they got to go where the old ones went. Now, come on, focus. And you got a little thing here that says strip. Right there. Strip. Now, these wires, once you get them in, they are really boogers. Anyway, the strip, let me go back. The strip, that's how long you're supposed to strip your wires. They give you a guide right there how long. Twist them all together. And I've got, let's say I don't have my tripod. And where am I? Okay, that's too long. That come out of an old ceiling fan. I say parts out of old ceiling fans. But anyway, now to get these old wires out, they say take a clothespin. I take just a push pin or anything I've got, and you stick it in. These go at an angle kind of, and there's a spring in there. So what you do, you put either your paper clip or your thing in there, your push pin, and you push it, and that will depress the spring. Now I've tried to do it way. Sometimes you can do it by these holes. I don't have good luck with it. I have just slipping this in and then pulling the wire out, because this will take the, when you go in like this, it's going to take the pressure off the spring, and you'll be able to pull your wire right. In fact, a lot of times the wire fall right out. That's what, see all these little pieces? That's what was in that one I just pulled out Lowe's. Cracker heads, man, that makes me mad. So anyway, you know, and it's like I said, it's really, really important that you get them wires back the way they're supposed to, or your switch ain't going to work. And that's why when you take that apart, you really need to pay attention. Don't just start pulling or cutting wires. Pay attention and label which wire goes to which. This is the same one. This is the old one. I have an old fan. Been replaced before. 1, 2, 3, and an L. L, I'm not sure what L stands for. I believe it's power though. Maybe power from the light. I don't know. No, that's probably not right. I don't know what L is. I bet if I read these little fine instructions that I can't even see with my glasses on. This is how I read stuff here. I use my phone, and then I have to expand it so I can actually see. Even with my glasses on, I can't read all that crap. So anyway, okay, now that we've got that taken care of, I just wanted to show you all that. We're going to put this bad boy back together, and you take your nut off and run your switch through there and put the nut back on and put your chain on. I'll bring you back once I get the light kit and everything back on. Okay, got the switch in, got this nut nice and snug. Doesn't work. Oh, wait, let's put the light on. Okay, there we go. There you go. Okay, let me get the light kit on, and I'll be right back. And that's how you replace a switch in a ceiling fan. It's really easy. Make sure you got the power off. Make sure you, but the most important thing is, other than the power being off, is that you pay attention to where those little wires go into the switch at. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching. BlueCollarDIY.com. Hey, like and subscribe. Sign up for the podcast. And we'll catch you on the next video.